I'm Zach McCurdy, and this is Decision 2024. There's not been an event like this in quite some time. Americans speaking loudly, determining who they want for obtaining a mortgage. We head over now to our mortgage analyst Brock Roush, who's been analyzing the early polls and results. Brock, what are some of the early trends?
Thanks, Zach. A lot of information coming in, and it's coming in fast. We're going to start right here in Indiana, specifically Northeast Indiana. That's Allen County. That's where it all started for Hallmark Home Mortgage. Deb Sturgis had a vision when she started the company to put trusted advisors in place to weigh the pros and cons. People are speaking loudly that they're going for Hallmark. It's no surprise since Hallmark has been the Reader's Choice Award winner for the best mortgage company for the last 8 years.
Brock, has Hallmark been trending in other areas?
Absolutely. Let's go to a larger map here where we can get a look at all the places that Hallmark is licensed. People are selecting Hallmark here as well. Again, it's speaking loudly that folks don't want a quick postcard, a phone call, a text. They want to be connected with somebody they can trust to get into the right mortgage program.
It's looking like Hallmark is making quite an impact. Brock, what are we seeing in more of the rural areas?
Good point, Zach. We're seeing a lot of information in the rural areas. Let's go to the state of Kansas. Let's go to Sherman County. Now, this is Goodland, Kansas, right along I-70. And if you can believe it, they're 143 miles from the nearest Applebee's. But with Hallmark Home Mortgage, they're only one click away from a trusted mortgage advisor. Can you imagine having to wait a 2-hour drive to get that 2 for $20 meal? I know I can.
I love a mediocre steak with mushrooms on top. Well, it does seem like Hallmark has really been taking the lead tonight. If you guys want to stay tuned with the results, you can follow us live here or check us out at hallmarkhomemortgage.com. That's hallmarkhomemortgage.com. Stay tuned for our coverage for our debut of our new show, USDA Loans and UFOs, A Deeper Look. I'm Zach McCurdy. Thank you and good night.